We're going to look at another way to do multiplication problems. This time we're going to be looking at the partial products method for multiplication. The partial products method is a different method that you can use to multiply numbers. Begin the problems beginning at the left side. So we start and it would be 6 times 2, or 6 times 20 because it's 28. 6 times 20 is 120. Just get my pen working here. 120. And then we have 6 times 8, because these are both in the ones column. 6 times 8 is 48. So you write down 48. And you're done multiplying all the numbers. So you put an addition sign and you add, you add up beginning at the right. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So our answer or product to 28 times 6 is 168. Watch as I use the partial products method to calculate another 2-digit by 1-digit number. We start on the left. So 6, so that the question is 34 times 6. So 6 times 30 is 180. And now we're in the ones column. 6 times 4 is 24. And we're done multiplying all the numbers, so I put my addition sign. Goodness sakes, I'm having a hard time here. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Put down the 0 and carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 34 times 6 has the answer or product of 204. Let's try multiplying a 3-digit by a 1-digit number using the partial products method. Same thing. This time it's 513 times 4. So 4 times 500 would be 2,000. I'm kind of doing it kind of loop-de-loop here. 4 times 10 is 40. And 4 times 3 is 12. We're done multiplying all these numbers, so I put my addition sign. Let's cross our fingers that that other thing doesn't show up. My equal sign. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So the product, or the answer to this problem, 513 times 4 is 2,052. Finally, watch me as I calculate one last problem using this method. Start on the left. And I think bottom number times the top numbers. It's 82 times 4. So 4 times 80 is 320. And 4 times 2 is 8. And then we're going to add them up. There's that goofy thing again. Whoopsie. 0 times 8 is 8. 2 times 0 is 2. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So the product, for this, 82 times 4 is 328. Now, if we had a larger number, more digits than just a one-digit number below, it would be like this. Start over here. Actually, you're going to start on the left. So it's 725 times 31. 30 times 700 is 21. And I'm going to show you a different way that you can look at it. 21, and I've used both these numbers, and I have 1, 2, 3 numbers I haven't used, so I'm going to put 3 zeros down. 1, 2, 3. Or another way is 30 times 700 is 21,000. Then I'm doing 30 times 20 is 600. So 3 times 2 is 6. And there's 2 numbers to the right I haven't used, so I'm going to put 2 zeros. Same thing as 600. And then I have 30 times 5 is 150. Or if you do the other way that I was just saying, it would be 3 times 5 is 15, and there's 1 number that I haven't used to the right, so 1 0. So we're done with the 3. Now we're going to do 1 times 700 is 700. 1 times 20 is 20. And 1 times 5 is 5. And I'm running into problems here. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to do my answer up here because I'm having problems. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 7 is 14. Then I'm carrying the 1 up here. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 0 is 2. So the answer, or the product, of 725 times 31 is 22,475. Now, write down these problems for tomorrow in your notebook. And if you have any questions, you can jot them down, or you can always go back and watch the video again. I think it's fun to have different ways to solve problems, and with multiplication, we're learning about the lattice method, the partial products method, and the traditional method. So try them out, and then you will be able to decide which method is easiest and most efficient for you. With that being said, have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.